Guys, so this is the crochet we're going to be working with today. Okay, and I'm using this cocoa rubber. So I started with combing out my hair. Yep, and the back of my hair is so bad. But it's all good. So right now I'm parting out the hair, and I'm going to be using hair wax as well to smoothing, like to put all the hairs together to grip everything intact. Okay, so I'm using Kayama hair wax for this one. So right now I'm gonna be doing this for all the hair, like I'm gonna be using hair wax for all the hair. But remember, when you are doing a hair, make sure to part as neat as possible. It's everything for me, okay, when it comes to hair. All right, so I'm gonna be using this cocoa rubber band to band this hair, and for this very hair I'm gonna be rubber banding 40 pieces of hair, because that's the amount of crochet I want to use today. That's the amount of crochet I'll be using. So I'm gonna make sure I bound exactly 40. Okay, and I'm gonna be doing a block shape as well, like a block shape cutting. Okay, so let's go. Now I'm done with the back facet. As you can see, it's beautiful. Okay, so let's do the second line. So I'm gonna be doing a kind of connection from here to there throughout the whole hair. So this is where we get to. I was in all this off camera so that we don't waste too much of our time. I want this video to be as small, like as I want to save time as much as I can for this video. So as you can see, this is how I connect this hair. I rubber band, then I use one to cross over one. It's that simple. Okay, so let's do one so you got to understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, don't forget, I'm using hair wax to hold the hair, to grip every little hair that could possibly come out, so that I'm going to achieve a neat cutting and a neat rubber bounding, if that's the right word. So I'm doing my connections. As you can see, I picked one from there and crossed it over. Now I'm using the rubber band, the cocoa rubber band actually, to band it. It's strong though, yeah. So when you want to do this hair, get cocoa rubber band. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna be doing for all the hair, like through the whole hair. So I'm gonna stop this one at this line, which is the 5th line. Okay, so I'm gonna move to the front because I want this hair to be all to the back, yeah, so that I can style it anyhow I want it. But I want a party at the middle, understand? So I would like to have a neat I would like to have a line, a party at the middle. So I want to do everything to the back except leaving the line at the middle, so that I can easily pour the hair, like, you know. So right now I'm done with this line. Okay, so we are at the front right now. So I'm gonna be parting 1 1 1 4 out, then cross it. But the main thing here is I want to push all the front to meet that middle where I stopped, that line 5, so that the connection can end there. I don't want the connection to come to the front, okay, so that I can easily connect it there. Like when I'm done connecting every, one is definitely gonna remain, or two, so it's gonna be easier to connect in that middle than at the front, guys. So I'm doing the work, I'm doing the job, as we can see. So I'm combing out. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this one and do the same the other side. Yeah, so I'm gonna do the same other side. I'm just gonna bound one, leave one, because I just want to achieve crossing the front first. Take it to the back, then connect the back, because if you remember we left line 5 there. Okay, so right now I'm bounding this one as well, and I'm gonna cut out remaining, then I'm gonna part the middle. Like I said, I want a party there, so that's why I'm gonna part the middle so that I can have a party. Okay, but before then, let's cut out one here so that we can easily use this one to cross this one to cross this one, like we have been doing. Hope we are getting it right. So if you have plenty of hair like me, you can actually use hair wax and this pattern to put it together and do your crochet. Okay, so this is the last line and I want a party for it, so I'm gonna part it here, and I'm doing it right now. I've done that off camera so that we don't waste all our time here. We need to quickly go over to crocheting. So right now I'm gonna do the same process. I'm gonna rubber band these two at the front, then cut out the remaining sections and rubber band them, then cross them. So this is it, and at the end of the day I achieved this. Yep. So right now we're going to start with our crocheting. This is how I do it. As you can see, I started with using the edge, like the hair side, the side that is going to go to the head, to the hair. I added it to the crochet pin, and just maintain your watch. I'm gonna see what I'm trying to say. So this is what I'm gonna be doing all through. I'm focusing on the roots that I grouped together, like the roots of the hair. If you can count. You're gonna see that it's actually 40. Yeah, it's 40. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna be doing. So I've been able to do 1 and 2. So the back has three grip, like 3 hair that I gripped. So I'm gonna be doing this for all over the hair, all that I gripped together. Okay guys, so if you're trying to do a crochet, try this. You can use any crochet type and try this. Okay, it mustn't be this very crochet, but if you have this braided one, you can still try it. If you have a coiled crochet, you can try it. You can just try it any other crochet and see how it turns out. Okay, so today I'm just using this braided crochet to try it out, and I'm loving it, guys. So I'm on the process. I try to tighten it down so that it can be as flat as possible, as flat as I want. Okay, so this is the front. Can you see my party there? Yeah, that's my party, so I can actually pull the hair. Don't forget, this crochet is quite lengthy. Yeah, it's lengthy, like lengthy. Okay guys, so please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, I do different kind of video hair tutorial on this channel. Okay guys, so keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give me your comments and your likes. and drop anything you would like me to work on my next video. Alright guys, so I'm doing this and I'm loving this. So I've done the first line. I'm on the second line to finish it up, then move to the third line, the fourth line, the fifth line. Okay, so this is the entire process you just need to follow. You can achieve this here in say 1 hour to 1 hour 30 minutes, depending on how fast you are, because it's something you just need to take your time and you're good to go. Okay, if you're fast enough, you can do this in 45 minutes to 1 hour, but if you're not, you can do this in 1 hour 1 hour 30 minutes maximum. Okay, so it's a simple thing you can actually do if you're in a hurry to get your hair done. Just get a crochet and you are good to go. So wow, finally this is what I came out. Wait, isn't it beautiful? Isn't it beautiful? So that's that. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye for now.